Wide domination because of Minamahal. Guys, can I please invite you again one more time dito sa stage? Andres and Ashton, maraming salamat to all you guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you. And para po sa information ng lahat, guys, sad to say, wala na po tayong one-on-one interviews after this. Next time na lang po natin gagawin niya. But thank you. We appreciate all of your time, all of your effort and support. Pelikula again, written and directed by Jason Paul Lacsamana. Minamahal, isang bulaklak para kay Luna, starring Andres Nula. And of course, Ashton Alvin. Andres, high five. High five. Wow, grabe. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, maraming salamat po. And have a great day ahead, everyone. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Again, this special event is our official partner for this event, Energy FM 106.7. And our heart goes to our major sponsors, Smart and White Rose Papaya. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at sa mga pagsumunta sa akin. Thank you so much.
Actually, sorry kasi I was taking off from the post of your dad na invited kayo sa reception.
Reception?
Yeah, it was a surprise.
Ah!
Banner
no, yeah. Nakita ko yun.
I don't know if no, he reposted it.
Yeah, he reposted it. Sorry.
I took off from that. Oh my God. Kaya nga sabi ko gusto nakita ko kayo,
Kahit ako nga, nagulat ako. Oh my gosh, yung president. Compared to, MJ from the past, when we were always in the cafe, right? Now we're here, bigger venue, and now business. And MJ, you've been there.
of course, yeah. Even your first press con.
Exactly.
Yes, ikaw din yung first mo. Siyempre, and nakakatuwa na that we're seeing you guys right now. There are blocks meetings already all over the country and demand out there. Ano na yung saan ikot nyo daw?
I don't know. I cannot say yet exactly where kasi they're still scheduling everything. But abangan nyo na lang yung mga announcements to be made and very soon. So there will be definitely some tours. I don't know if I can say yet, but the announcement will be made.
Campus tour din.
Yes, campus tours and mall
Campus
shows.
tour for your film.
Yes.
It's so nice to see you guys so more comfortable with one another because we've seen you grow. As you said, we were there since day one, and today, wow! Sinabi nyo na posibleng maging real to real ang Ashton. I mean, it takes quite maturity ng samahan to really casually say it.
Yeah. Ako naman kasi it's like, the people we work with and the people that are important to us in our lives, we genuinely love them, right, MJ? You know what I mean? So, ako naman like, there is love for each other there naman. Kasi we've been working together and we've spent so much time with each other already. Wala pang 1 year, pero it's like we're together like for work every other day, so.
I heard, how's the journey, Ash, for you? So we've been here from Madrid.
Oo nga.
Tama.
Ako,
sabi mo sa aircon.
parang kanina habang hindi pa kami nagsistart, sobrang kinakabahan talaga ako. Kasi ako makapagsalita talaga. Pero kasi na-realize, ngayon lang siya nagsisink in sa akin na first lead movie ko to, na basta masyado akong nabonggahan kanina, parang masyado akong na-overwhelmed. And sobrang thankful ako talaga na nakasama ko. Hindi lang sila direct, hindi kasama ko kasi.
Grabe, pero kahit personal kayong ganap. Grabe rin yung support nyo sa isa't isa. Congratulations by the way, Famas, KPC. Oh my gosh. More to come.
Sana, I hope. Thank you so much.
Ano yung mga parang plans mo? Kasi si Ash may MMFF. Ikaw ba? Ikaw ba, Andres? Pero bang mga offer?
As of right now, just focus on this film kasi we still have to get to the promo portion and then other than that, wala naman. I'm just more focused really right now on what we're doing. This film. So,
And you support mo na lang of course kay Ash.
of course. You know, when they had their press con, when I was informed by her, I was actually very, very proud for her, very happy for her because it's a big deal, diba? It's a big business, diba? And so, I know she's a great actress as well. She's very talented, deserving it talaga.
Pa-awards na kayong dalawa. Yeah! Next step, yun daw yung level up. Equivalent. But congratulations again, guys.
Thank you so
Ito,
much
please, just message to your fans. They're here actually.
Yes,
Ayan.
andito sila. And to our supporters, keepers, at sa mga fandom ng bawat isa. Thank you so much po sa suporta, sa oras, sa pagmamahal na binibigay niyo sa amin. Minsan, hindi na sila natutulog para lang, alam mo yung mapaigay kami. Kaya maraming salamat. Sana napapasaya namin kayo kasi napapasaya niyo kami.
And thank you so much to all of our fans that support me and Ash and even Ash lang at ako lang. Thank you so much for you guys' support kasi we really do it for you all and we just want to work and produce good things for you guys to enjoy. You guys are the reason why we're here, where we're at today. We wouldn't be who we are without the support of all of you guys there.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much.
See you at the promos.
Thank you
so much.
Good night.
Yeah, kasi
Excuse me po. Kaya dito sila sa stage ulit.
Giveaway po. Giveaway po.
Ano ka po? Ayoko masira yung Ash. Sarap.
Kasi makikita nyo naman how nice the story flows really and direct JPL put on a beautiful story kaya we're excited to show all of you guys.
So what was your first reaction nung mabasa niyo yung script?
Ako, after ko, ang bilis ko lang mabasa ng script, siguro yung buong movie na nabasa ko siya like within 30 minutes. Tapos after ko mabasa, tinext ko agad si Direk. Sabi ko, Direk, grabe, sobrang ganda, sobrang relatable, and sobrang real-life relationship situation talaga siya.
Yun nga, when I read the script for the first time, talagang I couldn't put it down kasi ang ganda ng story, ang ganda ng flow. Kahit yung mga eksena, paano nagsistitch, it's just really flows very nice and I think very relatable din for anyone really, all the viewers they can enjoy kasi lahat kami na-experience ng love, diba? And I think that's the whole point and the whole soul of this film is the relatable love that we've all experienced when we're younger or even when we're older.
Super successful yung Muchal. Medyo pressured ba kayo? Be as successful yung Muchal.
Ako, hindi ako ganun kasi mas nandun ako sa gusto ko ibigay yung best ko. Gusto ko wala akong pagsisisihan na dapat pala ganito yung ginawa ko, dapat ganito yung ginawa ko. Tapos mas nag-praise lang ako na kung ano man yung mangyari, yun yung will ni Lord.
Ako naman, yes, may pressure naman ng konti, pero ako, mas talagang excited ako kasi first to diba? And syempre may pressure din talaga dahil first. But overall, mas na-enjoy ko yung buong proseso kasi talaga. From day one to already nearing the end, just been enjoying the process. First film, so I'm gonna always cherish everything from start.
Of course, ito tanong ng bayan. Tanong ng tatanong. Kagaya ng mga characters na ginagampanan niyo, may chance ba na maging katotohanan na ang Ashes? Yan. Kaya rin na kanina yan.
Tignan natin yan. Kasi yung mga ganyan, hindi minamadali. Mas maganda kapag nagkasipat, nag-pray.
And only the future knows what the destiny will be.
Bakit dapat panoorin ng minama?
Dapat yung panoorin yung minamahal kasi may matutunan yung lesson na it's okay to love but don't forget yourself.
Siguro mga
Yes, tama yung sinabi ni Ash na the biggest thing about it is okay to love but don't forget about yourself. At also din yung journey ng love na we've all experienced, the highs and the lows, the ups and the downs, that everyone can relate to.
last na invite nyo na and sino yung makasama nyo sa movie?
Hey guys, ako po si Ashley Rodriguez, kasama ko po si
Andres muna.
at iimbitahan po namin kayo manood ng Minamahal, Sandaang Bulaklak para kay Luna. Is September 24 na po yan at makakasama po namin sila.
Marnie Lapus, Joko Diaz, Lance Carr. Mas marami pa yan. Sino
Yes.
pa? Sabi mo pa. Sir Jean Padilla.
Yes, Sir Jean Padilla.
Um,
And sila Justin
Lim, our good friends from Mutya, si Justin Lim, Sam Show,
Yes.
si Hans
At
as
marami
well.
pa pong iba na magaling kaya supportahan niyo po kami.
Was directed by?
Yes.
Great. Jason Paul Laksamana, direct. Maraming salamat. Great story overall and we're just excited to put out this film for you. Direct.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Hans, quick photo. Dito na.
Look picture yung dalawa.
Dito nakaharap.
My friend.
Sa baba lang tayo. Guys, photo harap doon. Doon tayo harap. Doon sa
Closer pa.
Ano pa yung camera?
O, doon ang camera. Okay guys, mabilis na. Dali, para kita tayo lahat. Smile. Ayun na si Direk. Okay. Guys, doon muna tingin. Okay, photo 1. Okay ka na. Sa naka-pink ka, sa naka-pink. Okay, 1.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Compress dito.
Compress. Guys, naipit na si Kusana. Ipit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Minamahal, showing in cinema September 24. Game. 2, 3, go! Kasama yung 100 bulaklak para kay Luna. Minamahal, 100 bulaklak para kay Luna. Showing in cinema September 24. Haba, pero go. Kaya niya. 3. Minamahal, 100 bulaklak para kay Luna. Showing on cinema. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.
Direct kita.
Guys, wait lang ha. May mga comic promos pa. Thank you.
Thank you.
Siyempre. Hindi ko tayo Bulong-bulong ka pa rin.
Thanks guys! Work muna kami pa. Alright.
Thank you sa pagpasok sa amin.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Kung may food pa rin mo, kaya pang food ha.
Busog na po. Busog na. Busog na sa ayuda. Busog na sa kanila.